Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to transfer Airbnb listing to a new owner. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know if you can transfer your Airbnb listing to other new owner or can't, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first, and after going into this section, just simply tap into your profile option, and from there you will get to see so many options. You just simply have to scroll down and go to this support section, and from here just simply tap into this visit the help center option, and after coming into this option you will see this search help option. Just simply tap into search help option, and after tapping into search help you just simply have to search this transfer listing to new owner option, and after searching that there will be so many articles related to your search, but there is no options or article to transfer Airbnb listing to a new owner. Means you cannot actually do that, because that might cause some problems with the customer service into Airbnb. And now one thing you can do is to make the other person which you want to transfer the ownership the co-host of your Airbnb listing, and after that you can share the hosting into Airbnb. But as I already told you, there is no option to transfer Airbnb listing completely to a new owner. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.